Hi, I am Shikra Samanto. Today we are going to see how to prepare standard oxalic acid solution. Standard solution is a solution whose concentration is known to us. So in order to prepare 250 ml of 0.1 molarity of oxalic acid from crystalline oxalic acid, we have to know what amount of oxalic acid is needed or required. So let us first determine the amount of oxalic acid. The oxalic acid is a primary standard as it is stable, non-hygroscopic, crystalline substance. Its solution does not decompose during storage. Here we are using hydrated form of oxalic acid. The formula of oxalic acid is COOH bond COOH dot twice H2O. We can also write it H2C2O4 dot twice H2O. First of all, we should know the formula of molarity. The formula of molarity is equal to the weight of solute divided by molecular weight of solute into molecular weight of solute into volume of the solution in liter. Hence, the weight of solute equal to molarity. It is denoted by capital M. Molecular weight of solute into volume of the solution in milliliter divided by 1000. Hence, the weight of solute equal to molarity 0.1 into 250 ml molecular weight of oxalic acid is 1 into 2 plus 12 into 2 plus 16 into 4 plus twice into 18 equal to 126 gram per mole. 126 divided by 1000, that comes as 3.15 gram. Let us see how can we prepare oxalic acid. Required apparatus and chemicals are weighing machine, 250 ml volumetric flask, beaker, funnel, wash bottle, watch glass, oxalic acid crystals and distilled water, spatula. At first, take clean and dry watch glass. Place it on the weighing machine and zero its reading. After that, weigh 3.150 grams of oxalic acid on the watch glass. Transfer it into a clean beaker and then wash the watch glass with distilled water. To transfer the crystals, click on it into the beaker. Add some more water. Continue stirring the solution until the oxalic acid crystals are completely dissolved. You can clearly see that oxalic acid crystals are completely dissolved. Now we transfer it into a volumetric flask through a funnel. Add distilled water directly into the flask. See, a cut mark is given here. Add water until the solution reaches 250 ml mark. The volume of the solution is 250 ml mark. Finally, we have prepared 250 ml 0.1 molar solution of oxalic acid. Like this, you are able to prepare the oxalic acid solution of any concentration using crystalline oxalic acid.